So, good afternoon, one and all. Welcome to the virtual class. Today we have a new topic in English, a new lesson that is the Seven Sisters. Okay. So basically, when you heard the topic Seven Sisters, what is coming in your mind that we will going to learn about the Seven Sisters? No. In this lesson, we have a seven sister, which means the seven states is present, which is lies the northeast side of India. See student, this is a map. In this map, the northeast lies seven states. Okay, seven states are there. You can see Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, Sikkim. They are the seven states which are very beautiful, forested, greenery, and the pleasant atmosphere you can fill in this lesson, fill in this state. So, today's lesson we will learn each and everything in detail about these seven states. All right. Now, mostly students, what will happen? People are so isolated about these states. Isolated, that means they do not very much familiar. They don't know how the customs, how the traditionals, how they survive their life, which festivals they are celebrated, which types of dress they are wear. The peoples are don't know about this kind, this peoples. Those are live in the seven states. So today in our lesson, they are giving in detail information. Okay, and the seven states are contiguously to each other. That means they are correlated to the each others. If you find, if you go in these places, you find the greenery, the forest, the mountains, the hills, the atmospheres are look alike a same, but their languages, their behavior, their dressing sense, their traditional foods, their traditional festivals, their music festivals, they are different. I, they are very different to each other, and they are different to us also. Okay, you never ever heard at before. So in this states, you find something new. All right. So let me start. First is the Arunachal Pradesh. What is that? Arunachal Pradesh. First is the Arunachal Pradesh. Let me see. Now, Arunachal Pradesh, this land of a rising sun. Okay. The land of the dawn lit sun. Lit sun are there. That means the sun rises, it spread the very soft light each and everywhere. Arunachal Pradesh, in this place, the peoples are very simple and hospitable. Simple and hospitable. That means very friendly and generous towards their guests. Okay, towards their guests. They belong to many tribes speaking their own languages. Tribes means that is a human group organization. So, and they're speaking their own languages. Okay, now their food, their traditional foods, their diet is largely made up of rice with the fish. They eat rice with the fish meat and many green vegetables. That is a popular dish which is now it's become so much popular. Everyone loves to eat, that is momos, a steam buns with the meat or vegetable stuffing. That is a momos. It is a very famous dish now, and the place is also called a nature lovers heaven. The nature lovers heavens. If the peoples who love to see a natural scenery, they have to visit Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, many a land is spotted with a monasteries. Now, what is monastery? Monasteries, that means a building in which monks live together. Monks, which lives monks together. Monks means a member of a male religious community. Have you ever observed that kind of person who wearing a long orange color clothes? That is a monks. Okay. You can say they create a group of religious group. They spotted, they make a building of religious group. Okay, and they are very much familiar. They are very much goes very deep in devotional ideas and the devotional things, works they are doing. Okay, you can find a lush greenery for forest, lakes, waterfalls, and the deep river valleys. Lush, that means what? Lush, that means a green forest. Lush, that means a green forest over there. Okay, you can find grasses are there. In many limestones, caves are there. Limestone, that means a one kind of rocks which can use for make houses or other materials. You can find caves are there. The caves known as Tapanuram, okay, and the forest is reserves. You will find a great variety of wildlife because everywhere can a splendid of forest over there. You must make it a point to visit 400 years old Buddhist monastery. Monastery, as I explained you, a building in which monks live together. So you can find out those Buddhist 400 years old at Tawang and enjoy cultural festivals. Cultural festival they celebrate at zero. Which kind of festival? A music festival they are celebrated at zero. Don't miss the Namdapa Tiger Project. Namdapa Tiger Project, you can say sanctuaries are there. You can find different kinds of animals are there. Okay, so you have to visit there. So many wildlife sanctuaries, national park you can observe over there. In that you can find a rare animals which you never ever seen before. Different kinds of birds and plants you can find out there. Okay, and there is also a India's large orchid sanctuaries are there. Orchid sanctuaries where you can find a different kinds of flowers, a different shapes, a different names. All right, so each and everything, a good qualities are present over there which you can find in a Arunachal Pradesh. Now let us see the next. Next is Assam. Now, Assam, also known as Ahom. Okay, it is also called as Ahom. You will find land between the beautiful valleys are there, and there is a river Brahmaputra and Barak rivers. All right, and they are called Assam. It is called a gateway to the seven sisters. That means the gateway of the seven states. And in this place also in Assam, the people are so much hospitable. That means a friendly, very generous with their guests. If you go in Assam, you enjoy the cuisine which has its own distinctive aromas and flavors. Cuisine means their own style of cooking. When they cook their own style of cooking, that means their cultural and traditional foods. Okay, it is have a very different and definite way. They have a aroma, that means a pleasant smell and the different flavors, a unique flavor. Okay, in Assam you can find a artistic heritage. That means a futures belonging to the cultural or a particular society, which is very different. You never ever seen at before. Exotic dance forms are there. Exotic dance, that means which means something it is very excited, unique and unusual. Okay, forms are there, dance forms are there, elegant temples are there which is look so beautiful, stylish. That kind of temples you can observe over there. The rivers, in short, that my territories is lush and fertile. You can find a lush and fertile with the good qualities. The lands have a wetlands. Wetlands, that means you cannot find a completely dry land, that is some a little bit of wetlands. That means little bit of clouds is thick and water droplets are there. Orchards are there. Tea estates are there. Tea estates, tea farms, a big farms is there. People are work there. The famous tea we can find in Assam. Scenic forests are there. Scenic forest, that means a beautiful natural sceneries are there. Parks are there. The parks is the Kaziranga National Park and the Manas National Parks. A World Heritage sites are there. World Heritage sites, which is shows the which is which is shows the large development of the wildlife. Landscape of golden green rice fields and landscape tea estate is awesome to behold. That means in Assam you can find tea estates, that means the tea farming, and the rice fields also, which is in a large scale. And the Assam tea is a world famous. Brahmaputra is a river which is called a lifeline of the Assam. Without the water, without the river, people cannot be live their life. All right. The land is also rich in petroleum, natural gas, coal, limestone, and other minor minerals are there. These minerals are useful to consist our life. And in Assam, they waves a silk and executive cloth. Executive, that means very delightful and beautiful design on the clothes. You can find the natural colors and design. The women are waves of parallels on their looms. Looms, that means that a machine which is used for making the clothes. So they are said the women's wave of parallel design on the clothes with the help of their looms. Assam silk fabrics, that is the Ari and Muga and Path, this is the name of the fabrics, are the most eager to see. People are very much curious and eager to see this kind of fabric skill, and it is famous in the whole world. And in the fashion world is also very much familiar and famous. And Assam is also known as the land of fairs and festivals. They have their own traditional, they have their own music. The major festivals or Assam is Bihu. The major festival, it's a Bihu. Bihu is also one kind of musical festivals which they are all celebrated, which they are all celebrated in a group from making. Then after, there is mostly can find can and bamboo. Can and bamboos are the inseparable parts of their life. Okay, a souvenirs you can take the japti. Souvenirs means things that you can buy for remind for a long lasting. If you come for a holiday in Assam, so you have to be buy a jappi. This is a traditional sunshade conical hat and a mask. So when you buy this for long lasting, you will remember this thing. You never ever forgot. So visit to the Ohom places, that means the Assam, and enjoy the greenery and whatever useful things are present over there, and enjoy the traditional and festival of the Assam. Let us see the next. The next is what? Meghalaya. We have completed Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, and the third will come Meghalaya. Meghalaya is the abode of clouds place. Abode, that means a place of residence. Okay, a place of residence. You can find a group of peoples over there. And Meghalaya capital city is the Shillong. It is called a Scoutland of the East because of its why it is called a Scoutland. Scoutland means a farm where you can find a farm to stay at home, farmhouses, farm buildings, cottages. So why it is called the farms? Because there peoples are find highlands, fog and scenery. Fog means what? Fog means, see, fog means this, a thick clouds. You won't be able to see the road or the surrounding properly. That is called a thick clouds. It is natural present in the nature. And many people speak only in English. There are many people speak only in English itself. Now the peoples are there, they make out their different groups. Okay, it is called out in a different names like a Khazi, Panar and Garo. In our India also you can find out different kinds of languages, different kinds of group of people. The same way in a Meghalaya also, Khazi, Panar, Garo, there are the different group of people. And Meghalaya, it's a overwhelming. That means beautifully they welcome their guest very nicely, gesture. Everything you can find a green and alive. That means a greenery scenery you can find. There is a rolling mist in the valleys. Rolling mist means that means what? Mist that means a clouds, a, a cold, a pleasant atmosphere you can find over there. The undul- undulating hills are there. Undulating hills, that means what? Undulating, that means which looks so beautiful, moving up and down like waves, moving up and down like waves. Numbers of lakes are there, waterfalls, caves, and the forests are there. Huge number of forests, exotic flora and fauna. Flora and fauna, that means the place where the plants and animals life of a particular area. And it is fascinating in a large number of scale. There you can find a zoom or shifting cultivation. Zoom is a cultivation. It is a process of slash and burn cultivation. What happen in a zoom process? In this process, they growing the crops by first clearing the land of trees and vegetation and burning them thereafter. First, they clear out all the trees and vegetation. Then, after they burn the soil properly, then after they do all the agriculture because the soil has more nutrients with the help of this process. This practices took place even today also. You can find a lovely mountains are there, stretches are there, valleys are there, highlands, plateaus are there. Plateaus, everyone know about the plateaus. Plateaus means that land which is not a part of a place land. It is not a part of place land. You can find ups and downs areas are there. Rocks formations are there, contains rich deposit of valuable minerals. Minerals like a coal, milestone, uranium, and sillimanite. These kinds of minerals are utilized for making a different kinds of products. You can find many you can find you can find many rivers are there. Okay, so if you come in a Meghalaya, you can see a Cherrapunji, Mozinram, the wettest place of earth. This is the place where you can find a wettest, a little bit droplets or a pleasant and the thick forest are there. You never ever find a strong sunlight are there or the dry places. You can enjoy the forest and scared groves are there. Groves, that means a groups of trees. You can say a clump also. If you find a groups of trees together, that is a grove. Boost of several national parks are there. Wildlife sanctuaries are there. So as I told you before only students, when you read all these 7 states, you can find there are similarities between the states. wildlife sanctuaries, amazing parks are there. Karamlet Pra, which is the longest cave. What is the name? Karamlet Pra. Sandring and Piang, which is the deepest caves are there. It gives you adventurous pleasure. So you have to visit in this kind of caves or this kind of place. You can enjoy panoramic view of Bangladesh. Panoramic view, that means a view of a wide area of a land. So from the Meghalaya, you can see the Bangladesh view. The Pine Fresh Mountain State during the Bangala festival in Atom. So they celebrated the Bangala festival in Atom. Bangala festival, that means the harvest festival. As we celebrate in India also, harvesting festival. So in that place also they are celebrate Bangala festival, harvesting. What is called harvesting festival in autumn season. So this is about the Meghalaya. Come to the Manipur. Now let us see what we find in a Manipur. Manipur, it is called a jeweled land. Jeweled land, that means the jewelry. You can find a jewelry, very precious material you can find. And it is said in a large number of jewel you can find over there. So that's the reason people are called out a jewel of my motherland, jewel of the Manipur motherland, because you can find a jewelry large number of scale. And it is said a nickname, that is a Kalipak and Salani Ba. Manipur have a nickname also. There is a capital of Manipur, it is a Imphal. Okay, where you can see a Crystallis velodrome. A Crystallis velodromes are there. What is this velodrome? That is a track of building used to cycle racing. Track, or you can say track or building used for cycle racing. A cycle racing are very much famous over there. Okay, many of peoples belong to mythic ethnic groups. ethnic ethnic groups, that means belong to a culture or the race. Okay, so as I told you that there is a cycling race is very much velodrome, that means very much famous. So most of the peoples are the ethnics. They speak in Mithi Manipuri language. What's their language? Manipuri language. So their language is different as compared to us. We won't be able to understand their language. They have the rights to introducing the polo of Europeans. Polo means what? A kind of game. A player's ride games. Horse ride game it is. Try to hit a ball into a goal. This is a very famous game. You must be able to observe in the sports channel, students. But this game's been introduced by the Europeans. Okay, so they follow the games. So in the Manipur you can find such kinds of craze of the games, like a velodrome, a cycle racing games, and next is a horse riding games, which they play. They hit the ball with into a goal. So many people are staple, their diet consists of rice. Now let me see their famous diet, what they like to eat, traditional foods. They also like to eat rice, fish, large varieties of leafy vegetables. Okay, both aquatic and terrestrial. Aquatic means that kind of vegetables those live in water, and terrestrial, that means living on land or water both. Okay, so there is a different, and cuisines dish is so different. Cuisines, that means a style of cooking, is so different as you never ever see the rest of India due to the use of various aromatics herbs. Aromatics herbs, that means the pleasant smells herbs are present over there, and roots that are peculiar to their state. Spectacular, that means a very much famous and people are usually utilized. And it is blessed by the amazing variety of flora and fauna. Flora and fauna. As I told you before, only students, that the place, particular area where you can find the large number of plants and animals. So there you can find endemic plant and animals life there. Endemic, that means found a particular place, such kind of particular place where plants and animals live. So you can visit and Kabul Lamjau National Park. Kabul Lamjau National Parks. So students, you can find national parks in the 7 states, but their names, and you can find different kinds of animals and the trees. Very rarely you can find it the pieces of bro antlers deers. Antlers deers are there. Ecosystem consists 17 rare pieces of mammals are there. Mammals, which means animals, so you can find different kinds of animals. National park of the world. You should come to see the Lotkat Lake. Lake is very much famous over there. What is the name? Lotkat Lake and Floating Island. Floating Island is present over there, which the view it looks so beautiful. Manipuri dance is one of the famous acclaimed classic dance. Acclaimed, that means the praised and appreciated dance it is. People love to see the folk dance are there. Terrible people, that means they are group peoples, the group formation of the people, they are do the captivate. That means hold somebody attention because it's attractive dance and the attractive wearing. They look exotic costumes, beautiful, something very unique costumes. Their rhythm like a graceful. So here they want to be said their music and the dance appreciating. So So you should not fail to witness. That means they want to be invite you to visit in the Manipur and Manipur martial arts, Tangta and Sarit Sakkar. That is very much famous. Tangta and Sarit Sarak, which is very much famous in Manipur. Martial arts. You can find martial arts with using the unique techniques they do with the using of gadgets. Okay, so this is about the Manipur where you can find a different things. All right, as students, here we are completed the half lesson, seven sister, where we are seeing Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur and Meghalaya. What is the what is the qualities they have? Wildlife, their cooking style, their diet, their festivals, and their dressing sense, and their music and rhythms are different as us. So here, half lesson is over. Let me continue in the next lesson. Okay, thank you, students.